I have already prestige every brawler in the game, except Damien. But today I will prestige him to finally have every brawler prestige. So now let's hope in a game and pray to the Supercell gods that we get some good randoms. Okay, let's just try to win that game, I guess. I mean, it's quite winnable, not gonna lie. Already winning by some points, so I guess we could possibly win. And finally, Diamond Prestige 1. That's the title. The beat says yeah. Already mid title, not gonna lie, they're way better in the game. And with that, I have finally every brawler to Prestige 1 after a huge push. If you're still here, please like and subscribe.